Today we are going to introduce the Nilight Magnetic Boat Light. Let us take a look together now. Open the box. You can see a manual and a warranty card. Then take out the light. This is a spotlight that can be remotely controlled and has a magnetic base. 6 high-strength magnets. The remote control has a maximum control distance of 80 meters/262 feet. The antenna on the remote control is used for better signal reception. 2 batteries are included, one of which is for replacement. 6 PCS strong magnets. Magnetic mounting and easy installation. Positive, negative, indicator light. Connect the light's cigarette lighter plug directly to the 12V/24V power source. Signal receiver. Can rotate 360 degrees left and right. The up and down rotation angle is 120 degrees. Please press and hold the on button on the remote control before turning on the power. Press the in buttons on the remote control at the same time. IP65 waterproof. The light can be seen up to 1,000 meters/1093 yards and can still work even in bad weather. After the light is powered on, press the in buttons on the remote control at the same time to turn on the SOS mode. If you need to turn off the SOS mode, just press the OFF button, then press the on button to restore the normal light mode.